mean, this is a great look for the start of the video. Hey everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I've done a little no foundation makeup look for you all because you know I'm being a natural looking queen over here. And to be honest, I've actually really gone off using foundation. I keep on spending my money on foundations and they never seem to match me. Like, I'll look in the mirror and be like, I could be buying like the yellowest foundation on this planet and it would still be like pink in the mirror, and it's just really stressing me out. So I was like, you know what, Shannon, boycott the foundation. We all want to be natural looking queens over here. So I decided to try it out and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to come on here and do you guys a tutorial. I even had some like comments on TikTok saying, what foundation are you wearing? And I'm like, gals, I'm not wearing any foundation. Yeah, I am completely obsessed with this look. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to smash my button and of course subscribe down below. And yeah, let's just get to the tutorial. By the way, like, apologies for the way I look basically throughout the whole of this video. It was the England game yesterday. Obviously I wasn't sober. Obviously I was a little bit hungover. So yeah, I wasn't in the best state. However, now I'm feeling a lot better. Obviously, you know, a little bit of makeup, your hair doing, get a cute top on, and I'm feeling like 10-10 again. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just get into the video. I actually don't know why I thought coming on camera, one, looking like this was a good idea, and two, like, how am I meant to even do my makeup with this on my head? Doesn't freshly blow-dried hair just feel freaking incredible? Has anyone else's hay fever just been absolutely awful this year? Like, when is hay fever season ending? Because I don't think I can freaking deal with it anymore. I'm gonna start my natural queen makeup tutorial, which I've been absolutely vibing with. Of course, I'm gonna start off with my soap brows. I've literally been doing this now for over a year. I feel like this is gonna be my brow routine for a good while. And I've had this bar of soap for over a year and it is still going strong. 90p for some sick brows. You can't go freaking wrong. How have you all been? I feel like it's been a minute since I've sat on the camera and probably had a chat with you guys. I'm currently waiting on my uni results, which I got told on Monday I'm gonna get between like the next 6 and 7 days, and oh my god, I don't think I've ever been so on edge about something in my life. So I'm so impatient, like I don't want to see them, but at the same time, like I want to see them, like I just want to know what I got. To conceal my brows, and the concealer I've been using is the Revolution Conceal and Divine. This concealer is 1010, you all know it, and the shade is in C5.7. The best shade of Revolution Concealer, no cap, like it's freaking unreal. Guys, I've had a stupid amount of excited emails recently, and the content I've got coming for you, I actually can't wait for you to all see it. I've been invited to some things, which is crazy. Like, I never thought I'd actually be invited to stuff before, and I low-key like have been freaking out about it, and the outfit thing is whole stressing me out a little bit. But stay tuned because I'm gonna be vlogging stuff. It's just gonna be unreal. There is no way in hell I'm gonna be able to talk and do my eyebrows at the same time, so I'll be back. Just filled in my brows using the Benefit brow pencil in shade 3. I literally swear by this. Shan actually got me hooked on it. This is actually so needed in my life right now. We are gonna ignore like the little spot situation that I've got going on right now. My hair needs doing, like a full-on glow up is pending. I've got my hair booked in. I need to start getting back into working now. I need to be a toned queen for summer, but at the moment, it's not happening. First face product we're gonna be going on with is a little bit bougie, I'm not gonna lie. Could I really afford this? No, but did I buy it anyway? Yes. This is the gal that literally can't save for anything and just buys stuff impulsively. However, it was a good purchase, so I mean, you know, I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This is such a decent sized bottle. I don't even use that much when I put it on my face. Like, I know that this is gonna last me a very long time. I feel like people hyped about this so much back in lockdown 1. Oh my god, I was looking back at me in lockdown 1 the other day and bitch, I'm a different freaking person, I swear. Mine is in the shade 4. This is a really good shade for me. I'm vibing with it. It gives me that, like, you know, healthy skin glow, which I mean, I freaking need in my life right now. Fully just like blend it all in with my fingers. I've got a new product that I've been using recently, and I have the worst dark circles and they're so sunken and I absolutely hate them. Especially when I get content, it is so hard. Like, I always look back on the photos, I literally got the worst bags underneath my eyes. I like don't even want to talk about it. So I have invested in like a new little color corrector. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is in the shade medium, kind of like this like orangey reddy vibe, and I literally stick this under my eyes, and like if I've got spots and stuff, I just stick it on it, blend it all out with my finger, and then apply concealer over the top. I'm not gonna lie, I've been absolutely loving this recently. It is so creamy, and I feel like I definitely have seen a difference like after using it with my under eyes. I'm just gonna pop on that same Revolution concealer. I'm gonna be going in next with the Milk Contour Stick. This is in the shade Baked. This is unreal. Hands down, the best cream contour like out there. I'm not gonna lie guys, I have not been watching Love Island. I haven't watched it since Molly May was in it, which I feel like was ages ago now, but it wasn't even that long ago, but then it feels longer, I guess because of like COVID and stuff. Although Too Hot to Handle, I absolutely love it. I do think it's a lot better than Love Island. I feel like it's because they don't really care. Like, we're gonna just ignore the state of this sponge because it's disgusting. Like, I need to get a new one. I'm just gonna pop on a little bit more on this, just like for a little bit more highlighter. When I went to Newcastle the other weekend, right, we went to KFC and I asked for mash because I freaking love KFC mash, and don't knock it until you try it, because I didn't even like mash, and then me and Shan got it when she came to stay, and oh my god, it's actually unbelievable. So when I'm going into KFC, like, all I want is some mash because it's just so good. And I went in there and I said, can I have some mash? And they literally looked at me like I don't even know. Like, they looked at me and was like, we don't do mash. And I'm thinking, what? And they even said it on the service station as well on the way there. And then when I was in Newcastle, they're like, no, we don't do mash. But I just thought that all KFCs do mash. Can you please let me know if it's a thing where up north KFC don't do mash? Like, look how freaking pretty that is. I actually love it. Just quickly before my camera dies, I'm gonna have to go off and put it on charge. I'm actually really annoyed because I actually had this on charge all morning. I don't know why it's about to die on me. But I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Huda Beauty powder. I've got the shade Banana Bread. This is insane. If you guys are looking for a loose powder, this is 100% the one to get. I've got the mini one, which I got from ASOS. I'm just gonna pop it underneath my eyes and on my forehead and just dab it around my face. Yeah, this is like next level shit. I'm back. I was gonna do all the powder, but I actually kind of like wanted to show you guys. I just had to pop some underneath my under eyes because I started to crease just a little bit. But yeah, I basically just use a sponge. I use the Real Techniques, like, this is like the furry sponge. It's meant to be for powder. Basically just grab it on the sponge and just like pop it all on like my crease lines and like just dab it into my forehead, and then I kind of go around the rest of my face with like a brush. Do also put like a little bit down the side of my cheeks just to kind of like, not like chisel it completely, but just kind of give my face like a little bit more shape. And you know, I just go in with my brush and then press my under eyes into my skin. So as we're going in with the L'Oreal Back to Bronze, I feel like it's like the perfect bronzer for like a no foundation makeup look, because it's kind of subtle, like not too much, but still looks like glowy and like holiday vibes. I've been blending like all my powders like up and like into my hairline, and I don't like blend them down, if that makes sense. Do take this cool shade from the NYX contour palette on a little angle brush, just kind of like contour out my cheekbones a bit more, but literally just like a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Blush is like my new best friend, like I love it. A bit of Milani, you guys know how much I love it. I just cannot part with this blusher. Like, I used this Primark one yesterday and it was good, but you know, it just wasn't as good as this. Sweet Caroline, ba, ba, ba. God, so recently I've been doing this like brown eyeliner and I've just been living for it. I've been using the Morphe M158 angle brush recently for doing like my little wing. It's just unreal. I've been using the Morphe 9T Neutrals palette. Oh my god, I haven't even run bronzer through my lids. Quick detour. I'm just gonna put some Back to Bronze through my lids. I can't believe I missed that. It's like the main thing of my whole routine. So I'm gonna be taking this shade here for my wing. I'm using eyeshadow for like liner. It's so good because you can literally just like wipe it away if it goes wrong. And then I just drag it down. Look how easy that was. My camera's gonna die. I don't want it to die. This is meant to be like a quick routine, you know, no foundation. It's probably taking me 2 hours, which is a bit ridiculous. Shall we just have a little lash appreciation for a second? So if you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you would have heard me speak about these lashes all the time. So they're actually from Dose of Lashes. These ones are in the style of Baddie. How cool is the packaging, by the way? And I do actually have a discount code, which she very kindly gave to me. I don't get anything from the discount code or anything, but it's Shannon Spalding X. I actually can't get over them. And I get so many compliments saying like, have you had your lashes done? Or are they strip lashes? But these are literally strip lashes. Like, I actually can't believe it. But like, I've done my makeup in such a weird freaking order, but I'm gonna pop on some freckles, again, using the same like shade that I used for my liner, and literally just pop them on my nose. Highlight, I've been going back to like an oldie but a goldie. Is that even a thing? Like, I don't actually know why I said that. But this is a very much of a throwback. Like, look at the freaking state of it. But it is the Soph X Revolution palette. I feel like if you guys ever did get your hands on this, you will know this freaking elite palette. I'm just gonna be using this shade here. It's like the goldie shade. Wait, let me focus. Like, this one here is actually beautiful, and still to this day, this palette literally is 10/10. Like, definitely like one of my favourite highlights, I have to say. Moving on to my favourite part of my routine, which is my lips. Using the Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon. Morphe had a massive sale on the other day. This was £2. And then I've got the Madison Beer lip gloss, again from Morphe. Me and Shan saw this when we went to the Morphe store and they'd sold out of it, and the lip gloss was literally £12 and they had it in the sale for £5. Shan literally sent it to me and she was like, it's freaking in the sale, and I literally never bought something so quick in my life. This one's in the shade Mercury. It is an absolutely stunning freaking gloss. And then of course you guys know, like, I always pop a little bit of concealer, you know, just give that a little bit dimension, ombre effect. Do a bit of overlining, I'm not gonna lie. I will just overline one side and then come back and show you guys the other side so you guys can kind of like see the comparison. Oh my god, I literally just done both sides. Do a little bit of a blend. Just literally grab whatever concealer I feel like grabbing, to be honest. And I'm going in with the gloss. That is actually my no foundation makeup routine. I'm gonna go off camera and like put my hair in, you know, actually get some clothes on, because I feel like I actually can't believe I've just sat here and done this whole video in my freaking dressing gown. Oh, I hate that from me. This is the kind of like full finished look. So I've popped in the Lulabelle's 16-inch blow dry extensions. They're my go-to faves. And then I just curled my natural hair using the Mark Hill Glam Waver Barrel, and it gives such a nice curl that blends in with these extensions so well. I really hope you guys did enjoy this little like makeup look, and all the products I use in this video, like, I 110% would recommend. Like, they're definitely worth like spending your money on. If you did enjoy this video, then please make sure to smash the like button and of course subscribe down below, and I will see you on Tuesday for my brand new video.